Bye-bye, 20s.
That's gonna stop? Okay.
I got you guys, I got you.
Hey! Babe, that girl coming to get that lit. That lit. Look at her drill, baby. Baby, that ass perfect, baby. Hey! She don't like me, but my bitch love me. I get out the house at 13. Eee, she giving it to the girls. I think we're gonna get this right here. It's been so long since your girl had posted on YouTube, and right now the background look a little different. The location is different. Your girl is in Tulum, Mexico with her girls. Fine babes, we are in Mexico right now. Today is day 2. I didn't even get to tell y'all the drama that we went through before my friends even got here, but near there on same. But yeah, we're about to head out. We're waiting for the driver now. This is the first night out in Tulum and I'm super excited. This year I kind of went for like a chill vibe. You know, your girl's turning 30. That just hurt because I know my back gonna start hurting the day I turn 30. Today's August 7th, 2024, and your girl turns 30 August 9th. So yeah, sit back, relax, and let's get into this vlog because it's been a while since your girl got on the camera. I don't even know if I know what I'm doing anymore. I don't even know if I'm doing the right thing, but let's go, y'all. We about to head out. I got my peoples with me and they'll get on the camera a little later. Yeah, y'all, see you guys in a second. Burgerito, babe. Y'all get her hair out her face, Bobs. Get her hair out her face. Hi. Reporting live.
Hi. We have arrived to a Burgerito. Destination, and we are ordering our food. I'm so excited, y'all. We are at Burgerito. Let me show y'all the menu real quick because the food is cheap in Mexico. So first of all, I think of it as like 500 pesos is only $25 in US. So look, like the things be like, y'all see it like 120, 185. Like that's dirt cheap. But yeah, I'm so excited to be in Mexico. This is my second time here, and it's just been a vibe. But when I get home, I gotta tell y'all everything. We got our fans. I have to make sure I got all my girls personalized fans. Yeah. Oh my god.
This is the day 1 of Mexico, baby. The first full day, for real, for real. Baby, I don't know why we gotta leave out because the hair is sweating, like literally sweating. It's just like, it is what it is. Whatever I look like is what I look like. I'm just thankful to be alive because y'all know your girl almost didn't make it. But yeah, so we just ordering stuff. Everybody's around town. Let me show y'all everybody ordering their food. It's such a vibe. Say hi to the vlog, y'all. Hi. May I also do? Can you believe I found this place on TikTok? I mean, TikTok be having all the gems, okay? One thing about it, something for sure, if you need to Google something, forget Google, go to TikTok. I'm waiting for the group to get here, and then I'm gonna tap back in with you guys because music is playing, and your girl don't want to get copyrighted. So see you guys in a second.
What y'all say? Hold on, say that again.
Bow, 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 bow. That's that booty me.
Oh, you gotta say.
You trying to be cute. I'm about to be 30. I gotta get all the craziness out. Wow, Medea, I'm trying to go this side. Medea, I live life in Tulum, Mexico.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't know.
And who's free and who's free?
Medea upon the Gaza side.
Who's free?
Gaza, I forgot. You know who free. Vibes Carter, I did the teacher. You don't know. Medea upon the Gaza side. Okay. Teacher, I did.
You know you a bad bitch.
Classy nails, French tip. You can go bust down, bitch, middle quarter slide.
White collar.
All right, you guys, this is gonna be like a part that's inserted. We're just getting reactions out here, so come on. It's Craig and KK. We're gonna get their reaction on camera to their real sister.
It's the aesthetics in here.
Wait, should we go inside first and then?
No, let them go. Let them get their reaction.
Okay, go ahead. But how we gonna see their face?
Bitch, I'll turn the camera. Trust.
Wait, like you go inside. Go inside. Just go inside. Just go inside.
All right.
All right, y'all. We're gonna go inside. All right. So obviously y'all gonna see. Well, no. We're gonna wait till you see their reaction. Wait. Don't look. Let me close the door.
Why are you so excited?
Let's go, y'all. This is some branded shit, okay? Details. Nah, baby. All right, come inside. Housekeeping.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on, Craig. Welcome to Tulum. We are blending.
We are
When one person comes together and meets another,
We are blending. Of the room. Y'all already saw Katia's and Craig's reaction. All right, so we're gonna do mommy. All right, mom first. Okay.
Mommy.
And my auntie Bob.
My shoes.
Ooh, sorry, Stink. Go ahead.
In the water.
Open the curtains, KK. So it's bright in here.
All right.
Come on. Welcome to your trip.
This moment of all.
That is nice, y'all. Nice.
Hold on, is that hers?
Wow.
You got your own room.
You got your own.
That's my tool. Congratulations, girl.
It's nice. I love it. Hello.
Mom ain't stressed no more. Now they all smiling.
What color is that? What color is this?
Burnt orange.
When
All right,
you-
babe, let's get to burnt orange. Wait. All right, come in.
Okay, this break, I'm here alone.
Daddy.
Wait, stop.
Dad.
How this work? Just press it anywhere?
On the side, Dad.
Oh yeah, so which side? I'm in the motion about that side.
Oh.
Jesus. Hold on, me not done yet. Hold on.
Wait, go to your bag, Daddy. Go to your bag.
Christ.
Right?
How what is that?
Eye patches.
I'm gonna hide myself?
Yeah. Okay, you got a face mask.
Yes.
Yeah.
A lipstick this?
Yes, you got a little lipstick just in case. Give it to Carol. Okay, IV.
So you get drunk, you
Dehydrated.
Drink that.
What do you mean?
When we drink,
How you drink the recovery the next morning, you drink that.
This is more BC powder.
BC powder for pain, like when you walk down on the strip and came back in pain, take one.
Yup.
Oh my God, boy.
got
How what is that?
Lip balm for them ashy lips that you gave me. Look about this spray.
I'm
This is brand new. It's brand new, boo. Everything brand new. Then you got your sunscreen.
Boy.
And then you got your little letter from me, personalized. Everything is, all things are personalized.
Come on, girl.
Yes, I love you, Daddy. Yes.
First time.
Out the country together.
First
30
time traveling
years.
with my daughter. It's a damn shame.
It
But
is-
that's how I go.
That's how it go. This is the same day.
Wait.
Brand trip vibe. So let's get into it. All right.
Come on.
Alana, please.
Come on, please.
Are you serious?
Kelani, get off the bed.
Are you serious?
Are
Are you serious? Oh my God! Are you serious?
Welcome to Tulum.
Whose birthday is it? It's ours! I'm finna get naked right now. You ain't gonna worry about me, okay? You better have your face on everything.
Everything. Branded, okay?
Everything!
So my girls have finally made it. It's day 3 in I was gonna say Cancun. It's day 3 in Tulum, Mexico. So we're walking through the Airbnb to get the girls. I literally don't have nothing on. I literally just woke up, did my skincare, and walked out the house. So let's see where they at. It's so beautiful here. I didn't even get to show y'all. Let me show y'all the Airbnb a little bit. So like everybody has like their own little house. It's really cute. Yo, I cannot wait to show them their room.
We finna get poured on. Look at the sky.
Y'all can't see this Airbnb, but look at that shit. Oh, they got a waterfall. They got games.
Hold on, you go around. Look at Ken.
Ken. Yeah, we all in our moo-moos, okay? With the moo-moo gang.
Hola.
Hola.
You look crazy out here in these moo-moos.
Excuse me, sir. Welcome to Mexico. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to be black. I'm so happy to be 29 still for the next few hours.
Girl. Bye-bye 20s.
Oh my God, I'm really about to be in my 30s era. 30s era.
It's somewhere in the back of it or on the side.
Thanks. Say hi. Arriba, abajo, shaky, shaky, salud.
Pick up your bag because I'm gonna hit this nigga.
Hi, Michael.
Come on, bitches, let's go.
We was downtown, right downtown. That bus takes you right downtown. We're trying to get four-wheelers, but they wanted half. They wanted half of our money.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Tulum.
This is nice. It's all wood and shit.
Are you ready? Come in. That is cute. No, I didn't. I got face mask, sister. You trying to match my skin?
Alright you guys, so we are at Encanto today for the pre-birthday dinner. So we're about to go eat. I'm excited. We are finally out the house. My girl Zay and Micah is already here as y'all saw. So I'm super excited. Yo, this is giving like Sierra 2014. What y'all think? Because if you know, you know. Let's go ahead and go into Encanto. Everybody's in there taking pictures and stuff, but it's such a vibe. So like aesthetically pleasing. You know what we like over here. Let's go. This is me with 0 shots.
This is me with 0 shots.
This is me with 0 shots.
This is me with no shots. This is me, no shots.
This is me with 0 shots.
That's me. 0 shots.
This is money. 0 shots.
This is me with 0 shots.
We in Black Tulum right now. The music is lit. It's throwback motherfucking Thursday. Baby.
are officially at Taboo in Mexico in Tulum, and it is time to go inside and have a good time. I wanted to go ahead and get my intro out the way because you know it's probably the music is gonna be getting to it. We're gonna be vibing. Y'all, when I tell y'all the liquor won last night, the liquor won last night. My hair ain't been hairing, but you know what? I'm here. I'm 30. It's my birthday. I feel good. Like, one thing about it, two things for sure. I'ma look good. Okay, baby? Give them a full view, babe. Give them a full view.
Cause don't play with you.
So let's head inside into Taboo and let's see what the vibes is giving. So let's go. Hey fine babes, I've been enjoying Mexico like no other. As you can see, like I ain't even been keeping up with my hair, no nothing. I just been enjoying the moment, honestly. 30 has been feeling really good so far. I just wonder what it's gonna consist of when I get back to the States, because it's like now it's back to reality. My friends had left already. They went to go on an excursion today, but for me, I'm just gonna take the time to relax, decompress. We're gonna get a couple's massage. That's just really what my day is gonna consist of right now. I'm gonna take a shower, try to see what I could do with my leave-out, do with my hair, because it's actually really cute when my hair is wet. So I'm about to, you know, get myself together. Right now it's 3:43 and it's August 10th. My birthday was yesterday. Big Leo, not the little one. And I'm just excited to be here. I'm excited to, you know, enjoy life. And so I'm gonna catch up with y'all when your girl's getting her massage, okay? Because one thing about it, and two things for sure, I'm gonna get mine. And so should you. But be right back. You guys, so we are on our way to the yacht. Well, we're getting ready to go to the yacht. I don't even know what day it is. I don't even know what number we're on, but the adults have finally arrived and we're about to make our way. Y'all say yacht day. Yacht day.
Hey y'all, we just got here. Period. Pretty in pink. You could have picked a different color, but
For the biggest Leos.
oh, but I just get it.
Alana, you got this.
Yep, I got you.
Yeah.
Come on. No, one more time. That one man. Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Pick her up.
Oh, this is cute. Batty, batty, shot o'clock. Batty, batty, shot o'clock. Salud. Arriba, abajo. Something, shaky, shaky.
looks so good too. Come on, baby. Ooh. Her on the yacht. Oh shit.
It's gonna rain?
Oh, the ocean doesn't look too bad.
Oh! Y'all, we are on the yacht. And it feels so good. It's so beautiful out here. Oh my goodness, man. Put on my glasses, honey. Oh gosh. Woo. I've been looking crazy this whole trip, but you think I care? It's just so beautiful. We live a life, y'all. You just gotta live. Space on my phone. Let me find out there's no space on my phone while we on the yacht. This feels so good. Wow.
I got my baby. Bitch out here on the yacht on your pussy. Look on the yacht on your pussy. Hey.
Got a lot of bands, got a lot of I gotta feel myself off. I gotta feel myself off. I gotta cool down. I gotta cool it down. Yeah. It's been a lot of years, really think you came on past me. I gotta feel myself off. I gotta feel myself off. I gotta cool it down.
Girl is in her 30 eras. I'm just so thankful for life. You know, 7 years ago, I may not have been where I am today. So I'm just thankful. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to all my Leos. I love y'all. And yeah, so here goes nothing.